Some students at age 15 have great difficulties translating a problem from one context into the context of another discipline. But this is where creative thinking and innovative thinking comes really from. It's about, connecting the dots.
At our best, we leverage the talents from people from every background, and instead of being victims of change, we're agents of change.
It's estimated that 52% of jobs expect to require cognitive abilities, including creativity, logical reasoning, problem solving.
It's about, curiosity, resilience, adaptability, courage, leadership. Those kinds of dimensions are gaining in importance.
So we have CVS in Rhode Island, and they need to find ever more analytical and technical skills. They need more on-the-job training.
I think actually the character dimension will be at least as important in the lives of people. Maybe actually work will play the kind of productive work, a less important role in our future lives, and sort of the social life will play a more important role in your capacity to engage with people, to work with people who are different from you, to find orientation. All of those things are very important, values of human dignity.
At our best, we equip people to have a can-do spirit individually and working together in order to solve problems. The good news is that's our best strength as Americans, and that's just the kind of orientation that 21st century employers are looking for, given the change in the economy. Given the non-routine jobs, given the work in teams that's required, this aspect of our strengths across all of our backgrounds is actually incredibly well suited to the needs of work.
We heard a lot from industry. We are sick of kids just learning how to solve problems. We need kids who can identify problems.
When you go to the world of work, no one tasks out for you what your work will be every minute of every day. That's an important skill. Project-based learning is one way to sort of help students exercise that.
We live approximately 1 hour drive away from the world-famous Canadian Rockies in Banff, Alberta. 60% of our students who grew up in our city have never been to the mountains. How are you supposed to work on resource issues around the natural world if you have zero connection with the outside world? Once that's been established, we get into project development.
So the idea is that they're supposed to take something that they're passionate about and go out and change the world and identify the change within themselves.
It's really important for us that our students are in tasks that are very authentic to the world of work, can practice those skills and reflect on their development of those skills.
It's increasing the engagement for students and being more of a focus on learning as a process.
But then it's the other aspects that we wanted to continue highlighting, including life learning and citizenship, innovative thinking and action, and then finally transformative leadership. And it kind of goes almost in a Z kind of pattern where we really want to start the foundation around personal academics and develop the character traits that lead to creating those leaders of tomorrow to go out and create the change that they want to see.
We turn them into entrepreneurial spirit, and they've shifted to what's exciting to me, what matters to me. Let me find a problem in that area, an issue in that area. I need to then build solutions around that. I then need to prototype those solutions, test them out, see what might be the best solution, and then I have to create a business around that solution. And the students, by the time they're done in 12th grade, have actually pitched it like a Shark Tank style, where they actually pitch to investors in our city of Chattanooga, which has a very large entrepreneurial spirit.